Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. I am Dr. R. Purnima, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Runge Kutta method of fourth order. So, Carl Runge and Martin Wilhelm Kutta both are invented the method of Runge Kutta. So the motivation of this method is with Euler's method, error is described by a straight line. That is, it is proportionate to linear in delta t. We say that error is order of delta t. So the order of delta t or big order of delta t. We can do better for this diagram representation so that the first estimate dou 1, we are recalling the update rule from Euler's method. That is Pn or getting from Pn minus 1 plus function of Tn minus 1 comma Pn minus 1 delta t. Here f is the derivative function. We are calling the function f of Tn minus 1 comma Pn minus 1 equal to 80. The first estimate or dou 1. It is represented in the representation diagram. Dou 1 is 80 and delta t is 8 here. That is the second estimate dou 2 uses the halfway point along the line segment to dou 1. That is in the point of 4 and 140 can be represented in this diagram. Next, the second estimate dou 2 combined with the slope 0.10 from dp by dt equal to 0.10 into p. This gives us a new endpoint, that is 0.1 into 140 into 8, that is 112. It is represented here. Dou 2 is 112, which is the second estimate dou 2. And dou 2 can be get function of Tn minus 1 plus 0.5 into delta t, comma Pn minus 1 plus 0.5 into dou 1 into delta t. That is delta t is 8 here. The third estimate dou 3 uses the halfway point along the line segment from dou 2. That is dou 3 equal to 0.1 into 156 into 8, that is 124.8. So it is getting from 4, 156. It is represented here. The third estimate dou 3 is 0.1 into 156 into 8 is 124.8, which is the third estimate. That is dou 3 equal to function of Tn minus 1 plus 0.5 into delta t, comma Pn minus 1 plus 0.5 into dou 2 into delta t. Here delta t is 8 and dou 3 is 124.8. It is marked here. The next fourth estimate dou 4, that is fourth estimate dou 4 is taken at the end of the interval. Dou 4 is 0.1 into 224.8 into 8, that is 179.84. The representation graph indicates here, that is dou 4 is 179.8. So dou 4 is 0.1 into 224.8 into 8, that is 179.84, which is the fourth estimate dou 4. And delta t is 8 here. So dou 4 equal to function of Tn minus 1 plus delta t, comma Pn minus 1 plus dou 3 into delta t. So the Runge Kutta 4 estimate bring it all together. A weighted average that privileges the middle values. That is Pn is Pn minus 1 plus dou 1 plus dou 2 plus 2 dou 3 plus dou 4 divided by 6. That is 100 plus 80 plus 2 into 112 plus 2 into 124.8 plus 179.84 can be divided by 6. That is the Runge Kutta 4 estimate will give the value 222.24. So the relative error 224.4 minus 222.55 divides 222.55. That is 0.14 percentage. So compare 19 percentage for Euler's method. So RK error is order of delta t power 4, a very small number because error is less than 1. So the algorithm of Runge Kutta method of fourth order is t getting from t naught, that is p of t naught is getting from p naught. Initialize the number of steps for n going from 1 to number of steps to the following, that is tn getting from t naught plus n into delta t. So dou 1 is function of tn minus 1 comma pn minus 1. Dou 2 is function of tn minus 1 plus 0.5 into delta t, comma Pn minus 1 plus 0.5 into dou 1 into delta t. Then dou 3 is function of t n minus 1 plus 0.5 into delta t, comma p n minus 1 plus 0.5 into dou 2 into delta t. So dou 4 equal to function of t n minus 1 plus delta t, comma p n minus 1 plus dou 3 into delta t. That is, in the Excel form, we are representing this by using dou 1 calculation formula is C4 into D4 into E4. So the K value it is fixed as 8 and the P naught it is fixed as 100. So the next midpoint one can be calculated from E5 plus B4 by 2. Here also the K value is fixed as 8 and P naught it is 100. The next we will be getting the dou 2, that is D6 into B5 into C5. Next we will be getting the endpoint E9 plus B8. So finally we will be getting the RK method of fourth order, that is C11 plus B4 plus 2 into B6 plus 2 into B8 plus B10 whole divided by 6. So we will be getting the answer 222.24. Thank you. Thank you very much.